If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. Competition in this industry is tough. They undercut your prices since there's little else to differentiate your service. Sure, you can say you sanitize bins and kill germs, but do most homeowners truly care? What they really want is for their freshly cleaned bins to stay clean and odor-free for as long as possible. And that's what BagEZ helps you provide. By pairing your cleaning service with BagEZ, you offer a complete bin maintenance solution. You wash their bins, and BagEZ helps keep them clean between visits. This unique approach adds value, helps you stand out, and builds loyalty. You can include BagEZ with your subscription plan or sell it as a standalone solution to customers outside your service area or to your competitors' clients. That's revenue without the work. It's light, compact, and durable, and can easily be shipped nationwide and versatile enough to use at home while camping or for quick yard cleanups, generating year-round, non-seasonal revenue. For more info, visit BagEZ.com or call us. We're always available to answer questions that will help you grow.